Gojira. And basically, we're going to have a little competition here. A shooting competition. To see who's the best shooter.
Yeah. Basically, our guns are different. They're not the same. Mine's Nerf. Obviously, one of the best guns of all.
Mine's Bunko.
Yep. Basically, I envy Bunko because it's using one of my weaknesses, Halo tier. So, today I'm gonna show that Nerf is better than Bunko. Let's start.
Yep. Basically, gotta shoot that cup.
Pretty much.
You really that thing lay on the thing look like a spaceship.
That's my shell, motherfucker.
What does look like a spaceship? You gotta admit that.
Shoot, boy, shut up. I need sight. Son of a!
I didn't know you really need silence. Damn. Okay, go again.
I will shoot you instead. Okay, it's your turn. I missed the first shot. Let's see how you do it. You son of a bitch. If I don't hit this one, I'll lose. Bam.
Oh, this
We still go. Oh, yo! It's just like move.
Here. Like basketball, just go like that.
I know, right? Okay, your turn now.
I'm getting better now.
Touché.
Before the shooting, I was the worst.
Yeah, because we practice. Shit.
What did I win?
Pretty much, yeah. You motherfucker.
Shooting competition.
Damu wins. Now Damu wins.
Well, people, Damu won this one.
Boy, you only won one round.
Oh, so 1 round. How many rounds are there?
We can do 3 if we want. So pretty
3
much
if it's a tie.
yeah. So
I
you only
won.
want, yeah. You're missing 2 more rounds to win. I'm still missing 3. Bitch ass son of a.
Calm down.
Son of a.
And watch your language. This is a family friendly.
Son of a gun, okay? Son of a gun. I'm the son of this gun.
Alright then, shoot your father.
Okay, that sounded weird. Son of this gun.
Go.
That means I'm-
Shut up and go.
That means I'm using my father.
Shut up and go.
Boom, headshot to the cop. Wait, what? How did I give a headshot to a cop? What the?
Basically, you hit the tip of the cup.
Pretty much, and it fell just like a headshot. Man, you dirty. You hit the lower cup. Ah, I felt the pain.
No kids for that cup.
that cup ain't gonna have any family. Oh, you son of a bitch.
Oh, I win.
If you hit this one, you win.
Alright then.
Boy, what's with hitting at the lower cup? Let's just be glad this is not a tiny person. Let's just be glad that's not.
What? So I win this one?
Now you have 2 rounds. You need 1 more round to win.
Alright. Oh,
Bam.
that was bounce back. That was totally bounce back. It almost made it in the cup. Honestly, God.
Well, yeah, but either way, we didn't make any rules, so yeah. Well, that was a solid shot.
Hey, very good.
My shot was a sneaky one. It hit from the back. Boom. Now it's why we're getting serious.
Yep, now we're getting serious.
Okay. I'm even sweating already.
Yeah, oh shit, he's getting serious.
Boy,
Oh shoot! Shoot!
Shut up! Bam.
Damn it.
Oh! I heard that crack! Money!
I hope the camera heard that too.
Wait, what? Shut up!
Ah, damn. Oh crap! Don't make it.
If I hit this one, I win this round.
So what? 2-1.
Yeah, but either way, you still need one more round to win. So,
So what? Still 2-1.
Yes. I suck. I won this round.
Wait, there was only 3. That means this round's over.
No. You're supposed to have one more round to win, but you still have 2.
Oh my god! Come on, let's go.
I'm getting fucking serious now, right now.
Watch.
This is when it gets serious.
I have no idea where I hit actually.
No, you actually hit the side. I thought you were gonna miss. I had a perfect shot right now.
Oh! Whoa!
You were gonna shoot without the bullet!
Now there's a bullet.
Boy, do not start a stand-up with me.
Yeah, I already know what happened with your sister.
Boom.
Destroyed his sister.
Excuse me?
Nothing.
Okay, that was a lucky ass shot. Just because it bounced back.
So what? You bounced back too.
True. Like I said before, there's no rules. Dude, you got like 4 bullets there. We don't need to pick them up.
Yeah, but you keep losing them.
I got like 2 more here, 2 more, and 1 in my pocket. They're not gonna lose because they're like really literally right behind the TV.
Yeah, okay.
Right when I finished talking, the sniper just fell. I'm like, what?
Yeah, oh my god.
It hit it, but it didn't move. Okay, that one did not hit.
That one totally hit.
You hit the air of the bullet, hit it.
Alright then.
I saw that.
Try again. Do it again. There you go.
Now I hit it. Okay, if you don't hit this one, I won.
So if I hit it, I win.
No, pretty much I have to keep going. Yo!
Yeah.
Okay, I gotta say that was... Okay.
He's still standing. Finish him.
Finish her.
Brutality.
Brutality.
And
Yo,
wins.
But I just figured out that I just make the cup flip.
I know.
I just noticed that. I made the cup flip.
One day we had to do it with a water bottle. Try and make a flip like that.
Whoa. Oh, if I hit this one, I'm gonna
don't
win.
You hit it. No,
if I hit this, I'm gonna win.
No.
2 rounds. So pretty much you and I were missing 1 more round to win.
Yep.
I ran out of bullets. Oh, never mind. There's 1 here. Hey, I sorry.
Damn it. What, you think I was gonna hit you?
No. Yeah.
Alright, go ahead.
Headshot.
What, do you won?
Shit.
Oh, damn.
Woo! The luck is on my side.
Oh.
Now this is getting serious.